Hi, I'm Chris, and we're going through this year's PSAT. We're on math question 28. And in this question, they tell us that b, k, and n are all integers. So first, we have to ask ourselves, what is an integer? Hopefully, especially since question 28 is the hardest multiple choice question in this section with the grid-ins. So hopefully if we're attempting one of the hardest multiple choice questions, we know some of our key definitions like integers. And integers are numbers that are non-decimal, non-fraction numbers. Could be positive, could be negative, could be zero, but it can't be a decimal or a fraction. So b, k, and n are integers, and they give us this equation, k squared plus n squared over 4 is equal to 2b plus 2n squared over 8. And they want to know a possible value for b. So let's take a look and see if we can figure that out. All right. So let's see if we can simplify this. There are a couple ways we can do it. You could cross multiply by your denominators, but you could also multiply this entire equation on the left by 2 so that they both have common denominator and then cancel the denominators out. Either way, totally up to you. For now, we're going to cross multiply since that's the method most students are the most familiar with. So here we would have 8k squared plus 8n squared equals 8b plus 8n squared. These terms, the 8n squared, when you subtract it, will cancel out from both sides. So we're left with 8k squared equals 8b. You can divide both sides by 8, which will cancel those coefficients, and you get k squared equals b. Now we have two variables, and we have no way of knowing what the value of either of those variables would be. But we do know, because of what they told us at the beginning, that b, k, and n are integers. So basically, what we're looking for here, for the possible value of b, we know that it's an integer squared. It could be 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, 4 squared, 5 squared. We don't know what that integer is, but we know b is a perfect square. So among our answer choices, we're just looking for the answer choice that also is a perfect square. If k squared equals b, then if we apply that over here to these, could b equal to? No. Hopefully you said no, because there is no number that when you square it, there's no integer value when you square it, that gives you 2. 4, however, is a perfect square, and that's the one that hopefully among our answer choices stands out to us as being a perfect square. So when k squared equals b, if they're both integers, then that means that 4 is the only option that we would have for b on question 28. For more, please feel free to take a look at our other videos, and thanks for watching.